Hello guys, I'm doing a video today on the TV DVD combo I told you is called Envizen Maxmade TV DVD combo, and I'll give you all the specs if you wish to. But this is a picture I took before closing the door, where I had to actually hardwire the connector because it was a little different from the one I had. So here's a picture. You can see the little tie wraps there and a tape I had to put just so it could be snuggy. And obviously there's the model number if you wish to know. It's Envizen Maxmade portable TV DVD player, and the model number would be ED8850B. But let's show you the TV. Like I said, I show you pictures because I didn't wanna have to open it. You know, you have to like open it and then take the screw out, and let's just show you the picture. But let me turn it on battery power. Let's see if it's been holding up, and gonna see if the TV works here. Sometimes the reception here, it's gonna try to go to the DVD mode, but at least that's good too. That way I know that it'll play the DVD and it won't just die on me. Supposedly it should last about, I say about maybe 2 to 3 hours, depending on how hard you're using it. So yeah, I'm not getting no. There you go. I get some image there. I don't. Probably you can't see the channels there, because, but yeah, I'm gonna need a battery on this control too as well. So this is an old TV. It served its purpose. It's almost 5 years old, probably, if not more. So when I'm bored out there, this is what I use to entertain myself. You need an antenna though to get signals. I'll do better review later on. Just showing you this little gadget I have. Thanks for watching.